Fortress Technology manufactures industrial metal detection equipment. And we cater to the food industry, consumer product, pharmaceutical, textile, and lumber industries.
Fortress was established in 1996. We just celebrated our 20-year anniversary. The company operates in Canada, Brazil, and the UK. What makes us unique is our customization.
We'll take a look at the application and we'll do some testing and find the best way of meeting the customer's needs. We build everything custom for our customers. When I started, there was 8 employees at Fortress. We've been growing ever since. Today in 2017, we now have upwards of 170 employees in different locations around the world, and we've been on SAP Business One since 2011 in this location.
We were all talking a different language when it came to reporting. Now we're able to see real time, all 3 companies, the same reporting, all on the same platform.
Illumity was involved in our implementation. When we call Illumity with a support issue, they know that we're very technical. So we have quick access to technical people that can resolve our issues. And that's allowed us to basically adapt the system. SAP Business One is very customizable. We've got 3 add-ons that we run day to day. The fact that SAP Business One uses SQL Server as a database, it also allows easy integration into other systems. In the last 5 years, Fortress has doubled its sales revenue. We're on a path to double again over the next 5 years. Having SAP Business One is going to allow us to continue with that growth and to be able to support the processes that we need that are going to get more intense as we grow.